From CBS 4, this is Haystack TV, powered by HaystackHelp.com. Finding reliable services can be like finding a needle in a haystack. With HaystackHelp.com, finding the needle just got a lot easier. Now here's the host of Haystack TV, Chris Kane.
If you're hurt in any type of accident, especially a car crash, and it's not your fault, having experienced legal counsel is a must. You want a lawyer that gives you personal attention and covers every detail of your case. The law firm of Jeremy Rosenthal does just that. They're a people's law firm that returns clients' phone calls and are responsive to your concerns. Jeremy Rosenthal and Scott Watson are members of the Colorado Trial Lawyers Association and are committed to insurance reform. Jeremy Rosenthal and Scott Watson join us today. Thank you both for being here.
Good morning, Chris.
Now, Jeremy, you call yourself a people's law firm. Explain to our viewers what you mean by that.
The first thing that means to me is we represent consumers and individuals. We don't represent big insurance, big corporations, or the government. Number two, it means being responsive to client concerns. Our clients and all the public in general, their biggest complaint about the legal profession is, I called my lawyer, he didn't call me back for a week. I hired him a couple months ago, I still don't know what's going on with my case. You will not find that at the law firm of Jeremy Rosenthal. We return client phone calls, we respond to client concerns right away.
Those are great points, and that is the number one concern that we hear from consumers. Attorneys don't return phone calls. We know that you do. We do hear that from your clients. Now, Scott, what should someone do if they're in a car accident and it's not their fault? Tell us some things they should do and then shouldn't do.
Well, the first thing that they should do is absolutely get medical treatment. There's no reason to sit around and be hurt when you've been injured in a car accident. The second thing you should do is contact an attorney immediately who can work in your best interest to not only get you treatment, but to maximize your claim against the insurance company.
So if you're in an accident and it's not your fault, should you ever talk to the other person's insurance company?
Absolutely not. I mean, you've heard the saying before, anything you say can and will be used against you. Mm-hmm. The adjusters take copious notes and they will take anything you say and twist it to make it minimize your damages.
All right, that's a good point then for people to remember. And let's say you're injured in this car accident. You know, who's going to pay for those bills?
Well, ultimately, the person that hit you is going to pay. It's going to be either them or their insurance company. And in order to maximize those bills, that's why you would contact an attorney so we can get you the maximum recovery and get those bills paid and get your treatment.
All right, again, another great point. Now, Jeremy, talk about some of the other cases that you handle.
We're really a full service law firm. Personal injury covers a lot of different areas, not just auto accidents. And auto accidents itself covers a lot of things: motorcycle accidents, truck accidents, pedestrian being hit by a car, or especially in Colorado, it's a big issue. Bicyclists often being hit by cars or that kind of thing. But we also handle other personal injury cases. You have a lot of dog bite cases, slip and fall cases, and we really handle the full gamut of injury cases.
And you'll work on a contingency fee basis. So explain how that is such a benefit to our viewers.
Absolutely, that's a big deal that we handle these injury cases on contingency. The big insurance companies and the big corporations that you're going to be going against in any type of injury case, they're going to be paying hundreds of dollars an hour to big downtown law firms. Well, most of our clients don't have hundreds of dollars an hour to match up against the biggest insurance companies, and that's where contingency comes in. If you have a good case, we'll screen your case, and if we believe you have a good chance for recovery and you have a nice case, we'll take that case on contingency, meaning you don't have to put any money down.
Excellent. Well, again, another real benefit to our viewers and anyone that may need your services. We're out of time now, but I just want to let people know that another real benefit of your firm is that you work as a team. So if they call, anyone at your office can handle their case, which is another big benefit for them. So thank you so much for being here. Certainly appreciate it, and I'll tell our viewers how they can get a hold of you.
Thank you, Chris.
The law firm of Jeremy Rosenthal is a people's law firm, and they'll work to negotiate on your behalf and are ready to go to trial. They handle auto cases, truck cases, motorcycle cases, dog bites, slip and fall cases, and many other personal injury cases. Call them at 303-825-2223 or visit their website, coloradojusticenow.com. The number again is 303-825-2223.